Hello everyone, this is Tiffany. Welcome to our Autumn Decor Ribbon Collection. First, we have Autumn Pumpkin Festive Series, celebrating the harvest season with charming pumpkin design in warm and earthy tone, perfect for any fall theme. Explore our Harvest Chalk and Gnomes ribbon, featuring delightful gnomes, colorful chalks, and vibrant pumpkins. Our Maple Leaf Falling for Fall collection capture the essence of fall with deep reds, orange, and yellow. These designs are perfect for crafting, gift wrapping, and adding seasonal fare. Looking for a straightforward way to enhance your fall decorations? The World's Character Design Ribbon Series says it all with festive fairies and bold autumn hues. Then we have the Shimmery Fall Design Ribbon, adding a touch of sparkle with glittery essence on pumpkins and maple leaves, elevating your seasonal decorations. Lastly, from cozy pumpkin patches to vibrant fall foliage, our ribbon brings the best of autumn to life. Let's make this fall unforgettable with our captivating ribbon collections. If you like our designs, please contact us and share.